anything strange here? Yeah, quite unusual. Everyone is doing it. It appears and disappears. Very curious. What you probably didn't notice is the most important thing. Everyone is sitting straight up. Hello, and welcome to Posture Party. This is our test group for Poze, a small, silent, and effective device that buzzes when you slouch. Simple and affordable. To show us when it triggers, we asked our participants to strike a funny pose every time they feel a buzz. Otherwise, we would never notice because Poze is so discreet and invisible from the outside. Here it is, Poze, a magic button that works much better than countless reminders to sit up straight and straighten up. Remember those? So, how does it work? First, no apps, no charging, no complicated diagrams. We want results in the mirror, not on the screen. With Poze, it's simple. You wear it at home, at work, in school, and no one will ever know. We'll repeat that. No one will know. Place it underneath your collarbone, straighten up, and press a button. That's it. Poze tracks your movement, so if you slouch for more than a minute, it will buzz. Poze also comes with an attachable clip in case you find wearing it on your clothes more comfortable. Start with 20 minutes a day, and in 3 weeks you will improve your posture. Here's why. In reality, sitting up straight isn't about you. It's about your muscles. They need systematic and repetitive reminders over time to memorize a new position and get stronger. Poze does just that in a gentle and discreet way. A long time ago, Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Yes, excellence is not an act, but a habit. We felt compelled to create a device that will effortlessly get us into a new, healthy habit. No matter for whom you order Poze, it will surely be one of the most useful presents you'll ever give. The best way to say sit up is not saying it at all. Join us now and let's make it happen. Strike a pose.
With the top side facing up, simply toss or unroll your yo-yo mat away from you. Unroll the mat completely, then give it a click to lock in your yo-yo mat to stay flat. Practice your fitness or yoga on the mat with no worries of your yo-yo mat curling or bunching up. When you finish with your practice, simply flip your yo-yo mat over. There are many ways to flip over your yo-yo mat. Your yo-yo mat will always roll up all by itself. Or flip your yo-yo mat over completely flat and then just give it a click. Your yo-yo mat will always stay tightly rolled up without any need for straps or bags.
Imagine watching all your favorite movies in a cinema system you can hold in your hand. Introducing the Cinego. Enjoy your favorite movies and clips on an Ultra HD display from the comfort of not just the living room, but any room in the house. A personal cinema with a virtual 800-inch screen placed 66 feet from your eyes. Built for Ultra HD, 3D and virtual reality playbacks. It's specially designed to protect your eyes and give you the greatest comfort.
Hi, I'm Johnny Pong. I'm the team head behind the Goovis. We worked for the past 10 years to create the lightest, most compact headset ever. Our goal is to bring the IMAX experience to everyone, everywhere.
Have a video chat with your friends, or connect to your favorite streaming like Netflix or YouTube. The Cinego has it all. Simple to navigate and easy to use. It lets you control everything without even looking at the remote. Compatible with any HDMI device. Plug in your devices from PlayStation to Nintendo Switch to be fully immersed in your most beloved games.
If you think that everyone should have access to a personal portable IMAX theater, then support us at Indiegogo today.
You can even connect wirelessly to your drones, whether airborne or aquatic, like the Gladius submersible drone to see directly out of their eyes. It's extremely lightweight and portable, making it easy to bring along with you no matter where you go.
Great news. I'm really happy to hear that.
And its long battery life ensures you won't miss the end of any movies you may be watching.
By supporting us at Indiegogo, you will be at the forefront of the VR revolution. So, back us now!
It's time to experience immersion with the most advanced personal cinema. Cinego, your personal Ultra HD headset.